of Science with Danielle. This week we are going to be making lemon volcanoes. This is another chemical reaction science experiment, and in order to do this experiment you just need a couple of things. You need a lemon, some baking soda, a spoon, knife, and cutting board, and food coloring if you want it to be a specific color. You can either do the lemon volcano in two ways. I cut my lemon in half and then cut the bottoms so it would sit flat, and then added food coloring and mixed it up so that all of the lemon juice was in the two halves of the lemon. Or you can just cut off the top and kind of smush the inside of the whole lemon so that you have a bigger volcano rather than two smaller ones. So it's up to you on which one you want to do. So let's talk about what's happening with our lemon volcano. Why does it get all fizzy and bubbly? So in lemon juice there is citric acid, and that will react with the baking soda. So once you put the baking soda onto the lemon juice, it starts to fizz. And fun fact, this is one of the ways that they discovered how to make soda. So go ahead and look in soda and you'll see that there's usually citric acid added to it. Also, if you want to try something cool, there is citric acid used in Kool-Aid, so you could mix baking soda and make some Kool-Aid and see if it has a similar reaction to your lemon volcano. Thanks for watching. See you next week.